Your mind. It's the most powerful tool you'll ever own. But here's the catch. Most people let it run on autopilot, stuck in old patterns, bad habits, and limiting beliefs. If you want to change your life, you've got to reprogram your mind. And guess what? You can do it in just 30 days. Now let's cut the fluff. The first thing you need to understand is that your thoughts shape your reality. If your mind is full of negativity, self-doubt, or excuses, that's exactly what your life will reflect. But the good news? You can rewrite those thoughts. Here's how we're going to do it. Day 1. Awareness. Start by becoming brutally honest with yourself. What's holding you back? Is it fear, procrastination, a lack of belief in yourself? Write it down. The first step to change is recognizing the problem. From day 2 to day 10, you're going to focus on rewiring your mindset. Affirmations aren't just fluffy words. They're powerful tools when used right. Every morning, look in the mirror and say out loud, I am capable. I am unstoppable. I deserve success. And don't just say it, believe it. Feel it. Let it sink in. Day 11 to day 20, it's time to break bad habits and replace them with empowering ones. If you waste hours scrolling social media, swap that time for something that feeds your growth. Reading, exercising, or working on your goals. Be consistent. Remember, habits don't change overnight, but with discipline, they can transform your life. Now here's the kicker. From day 21 to day 30, you're going to visualize. And I don't mean some vague daydream about success. I mean a detailed, crystal clear image of the life you want. Picture where you're living, what you're doing, how you feel. Do this every single day. Why? Because your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. The more you visualize success, the more your brain starts aligning with it. By the end of these 30 days, you won't just think differently, you'll act differently. You'll make decisions from a place of confidence, not fear. You'll attract opportunities that match your new mindset. So, are you ready? Because the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the story you're telling yourself. Rewrite that story. Reprogram your mind. And start living the life you deserve. You've got 30 days to change everything. Let's go.